Hello Delphians, let us create the smallest Pascal program in Delphi. Go to File, New, Console Application, and it will create this boilerplate code. But for smallest program, we don't need all this code. Let us delete this from here to here. Delete. Let us delete it from here to here. Press Ctrl D and to format the code, and we have these 3 lines. And for project 1, we can save it as project A. Save project as, and we can save it as project A, and let's overwrite. So this is our smallest Pascal program. You see, it only has 3 main keywords, and A is the name of our program, and starts from begin and ends with this end and full stop, not semicolon. And this begin with this end of full stop is just like a main loop in other languages, just like we have C, Java and other languages, we have a main loop. So in Pascal, the main loop starts with begin and ends with this full stop. And what this program will do, of course it will do nothing. It will just run and go away. If we play, you see it just displayed for a second or so, and then it closed. And if we see its output file, and let me show you its output file, we see Win32 debug, and here is 248 kilobyte. This is small software with 248 kilobytes, and this is the only code in this. And still it's a large because we have debugging information inside it. And if we go to build, and instead of debug we go for release, and again run it, and again check this file, Win32 release, and you see only 45 kilobyte. So this software will be only 45 kilobyte, and we can even distribute it to others. That's simple. But because it is not doing anything and it's closing, let's add some functionality. Let's add, first of all, let's add some read line, so that it do not closes automatically and waits for us to press enter. And now if we run it, and it is now waiting for enter. If we press enter and we close, let us have a write line, and let us have it our famous hello world, and a semicolon at the end, save, and let us run again. And now we have a software, complete software, hello world, waiting for enter and close. And if we see its size, Win32 release, and it's about 50 kilobyte. So it is almost the smallest Pascal program, and smallest in this sense also that it originally it has only 4 words. And if we remove this functionality, basic software, basic Pascal program is only 4 words. So this was our example, first hello world, and of course the smallest Pascal program. Hope you enjoyed it, and subscribe and like the video to continue me on this work. Thank you.